What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Tactical Black Guy here, also known as Preston. I appreciate you guys joining me for another video. Hope you guys are being safe out there, taking care of yourself and your family as we deal with this pandemic. Today, I want to be talking about this holster right here. This is a minimalist holster that's made by Mission First Tactical. I reviewed one of their holsters in the past and it seemed to be pretty good. This one is designed for appendix carry. Now, I'm not a fan of appendix carry all the time because if you're doing appendix carry, you really have to have your head on a swivel. You got to be situational aware, and you have to be very careful every single time that you appendix carry. And I have yet to really find a holster that I could do it comfortably all day long. So I'm going to try this holster out, and I'm going to appendix carry more frequently than I do right now. So this holster right here, let's go ahead and crack it open. You get the holster itself, and this is like a little spacer here that comes in the bag as well. Let's talk about this packaging real quick. One thing that I saw that drew me to this holster was this right here: handcrafted by veterans, made in the USA. This right here pretty much sealed the deal for me. The price was pretty good. This is about 30 bucks. Haven't seen too many reviews of this on YouTube, so hopefully I'll get some good feedback from you guys. This is just an unboxing. Just wanted to show you that this is out there. I'm going to mess around with it, use it, try to abuse it for about the next week, and then I'll do a full review on it. But in terms of how your gun fits on here, this was made for Ruger EC9, EC9S, LC9, and LC9S. So all you do, gun locks in like that. What the other side looks like. It has a little claw here that kind of draws the gun closer to your body. And of course, the portion that fits over your belt are your pants. So that's pretty much what it looks like. It's got some good retention. See how hard it was for me to get that off? So it's got some really good retention. It's not going anywhere unless you jerk it with a little bit of force. So that's it, guys. I'll be back in probably a week to give you a full review on this. Again, Mission First Tactical Minimalist Holster, designed for appendix carry. 30 bucks at Academy Sports. I'm Tactical Black Guy. I'm out. Peace.